The unusual thief. Mr. Brown owns a small shop on Oak Street. It is a good shop. It sells bread, milk, and other food. Every Monday, a tall man in an old coat comes to the shop. His name is Tom. He has gray hair and sad eyes. Mr. Brown watches Tom. Tom looks at bread. Then Tom takes a loaf of bread. He puts it under his coat. He walks to the door. "Stop," Mr. Brown says. "You must pay for the bread." Tom looks at the floor. He does not speak. He does not have money. "This is not good," says Mr. Brown. "This is the 5th time. Do not come to my shop again." Tom walks away with the bread. Mr. Brown is angry. He closes his shop early that day. The next Monday, Tom comes again. He takes bread again. Mr. Brown is very angry now. "I will call the police," says Mr. Brown. "Please no," Tom says. These are his first words to Mr. Brown. Tom leaves with the bread. Mr. Brown is curious now. Why does Tom steal only bread? Why does he come back even when Mr. Brown sees him? Mr. Brown decides to follow Tom. He closes his shop and walks behind Tom. Tom does not see him. Tom walks for 10 minutes. He goes to an old building. The building is gray and broken. Tom goes down some steps to a basement door. Mr. Brown waits and then follows. He looks through the door window. Inside, there are 5 children. They sit on old blankets on the floor. They have no toys. Their clothes are old. They look hungry. Tom gives the bread to the children. They smile. They say, "Thank you, Tom." The children eat the bread slowly. They are happy. Mr. Brown watches. He feels sad. He understands now. Tom steals bread for hungry children. The next day, Mr. Brown puts bread, milk, and fruit in a big box. He goes to the old building. He knocks on the basement door. Tom opens the door. He is surprised to see Mr. Brown. "I am sorry," Tom says. "I know stealing is bad, but the children—" Mr. Brown stops him. "I understand now," he says. He gives the box to Tom. "This is for the children." The children come to the door. They look at the box of food. They're happy. "Thank you," Tom says. His eyes have tears. "Come to my shop tomorrow," Mr. Brown says. "We will talk. Maybe you can help in my shop. I will pay you. Then you can buy bread." Tom nods. The children smile. From that day, Tom works at the shop. He helps Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown gives food to Tom for the children. Mr. Brown learns that the children lost their parents. Tom found them and helps them. He is not their father, but he cares for them like a father. Mr. Brown calls social services. They find a good home for the children. Tom visits them every week. Sometimes things are not what they seem. Sometimes a thief is not just a thief. Sometimes people do wrong things for right reasons. Mr. Brown learns this important lesson. He is glad he followed Tom that day. He is glad he saw the truth. Now, every Monday, Mr. Brown makes extra bread in his shop. He gives it to people who need food but have no money. He remembers Tom and the children. He remembers that kindness is more important than rules.